Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. Sir Joy and I are going to report about the ICT and the computers, its roles and history. The role of ICT in education are it can serve multiple teaching functions, like it can be used as drill and practice to help solve problems, to access information in different fields. Can also be used in different teaching and learning modes like classroom interactive learning, network learning, organizational, managed, and independent learning. Information can be delivered in an instant. Because of the internet, you can deliver information in a wide coverage at low cost. The evolution of ICT had made a great impact in education. From the Horn book in 1650s to Magic Lantern in 1870, the invention of chalkboard in 1890 and pencil on 1900, the film projector in 1925, came out the overhead projector in 1930, and the first computer to ever run was on 1936. Ballpoint pen was invented in 1940s and headphones in 1950. The first use of internet was on 1969. Then came the Microsoft by Bill Gates in 1974, followed by Apple company founded by Steve Jobs 1977, and the World Wide Web by Tim Lee in 1990. Then came the on 1991 the laptop, and now we have our smartphones with different applications that we use in our studies and learnings, like the Google Meet, Classroom, Zoom, and different social media platforms like the Facebook Messenger, YouTube, Instagram. These technologies provided us a great help, especially now that we are under the global crisis.
Good morning, everyone. I am Joy who will report this morning the roles and functions of computers. Computers are part of ICT and play a significant role in our life. Computers can be used for online education and research. With the help of internet, students can find useful information about their projects, assignments, and also can take useful help from other researchers as they store and organize the research materials in computers. So, here are the following example of rules and functions of computers. Number 1. Computers can increase productivity. Computers affect the students, teachers, and workers' productivity. It is because computers can increase outputs of every individual. Through computers, students and teachers can perform their tasks well. Number 2. Computers facilitate communications between students, teachers, and administrators. There are many communication tools that are used today to be able to communicate to students, teachers, and etc. Some of these tools can also be used to submit assignments, projects, video presentation, and etc. Number 3, computers used to access large amounts of information. So, the internet carries an extensive range of information, resources, and services. Many of the information that our students need can easily be found from the internet. Number 4, computers are brilliant in teaching. Computers are used as an aid in learning through different academic software. Teachers can also use the different software support tools to allow them to generate materials and gathered data. Number 5, computers facilitate an electronic format for storage of information. The best advantage of computer is that we can save all the information that we need in our lesson, the information we have gathered. For the last rules and functions of computers, we have computers can teach subjects and enhance learnings of the students. By using computers, you will be able to gain knowledge by proper usage of it.
Hello everyone, this is Judy Ann Maluluyon. In continuation with the report of Group 2A, Understanding the Nature of Instructional Software. Chapter 5, Software for Educators and Students. Software is categorized into two types, the system software and application software. So first, what is system software? So according to our book, system software consists of programs that control the operations of the computer and its devices. Operating system is one type of system software which contains instructions that coordinate all of the activities of the computer hardware devices. The operating system also contains instructions that allow the user to run the application software. There are different operating systems. First, the standalone operating systems. Second, the embedded operating system. And the third, the emerging operating systems. First, the standalone operating systems. This is a complete operating system that works on a desktop computer, notebook computer, or mobile computing device, examples of which are Microsoft Windows and Mac OS X. Second, the embedded operating systems. This kind of operating system resides in an internal chip rather than a hard drive. This is the operating system used on mobile devices and other consumer electronics. The three popular embedded operating systems are Apple's iOS, Google Android, and BlackBerry OS. Third, the emerging operating systems. The emerging operating system, like that of Google's Chrome OS, has the potential to revolutionize computing. Google Chrome OS is based on Google Android, which is designed to work exclusively with web-based and cloud-based applications and to run on Chromebook computers. Application software. Application software or application programs allow users to perform specific tasks like writing documents, making project presentations, video recordings, and many others. Types of software applications used in schools: instructional software, productivity software, and administrative software. Instructional software. These are programs designed specifically to deliver instruction or aid with the delivery of instruction. Instructional software are intended to teach skills or information through demonstrations, examples, explanations, or problem solving. Example are tutorials, drill and practice programs, simulation, instructional games, problem solving, and special needs software. Productivity software. Productivity software is designed to help teachers and students in creating their reports, computing of grades, communicating, developing of materials, and keeping of records effectively and efficiently. Productivity software includes applications such as word processing, electronic spreadsheet, presentation graphics, graphics and multimedia software, database, personal information management, and software suites.
Hi! Hello everyone! My name is Sharo Villagracia and I'm going to report the Chapter 5 Software for Education and Students, page 71 to 78. My topic is all about Microsoft Word. Some word processing software are OpenOffice Writer, Google Docs, Adobe Buzzword, and Bluetooth Symphony. Okay, first I'm going to discuss about the power of word processing in education. Let me first show you the picture of Microsoft Word when you open in the computer. Okay, the power of word processing in education saves time in the preparation of materials needed for teaching and learning, enhances document appearance, allows the sharing of documents, allows collaboration on documents. So these are the power of word processing in education, as you can see in the screen. It comes with many functions. In Microsoft, you can choose any page layout you want. Another sample in this, you can write words and adjust the text and others. Next software is electronic spreadsheet software. This software is normally used to doing budgets, grade computation, and accomplish mathematical problems. As you can see, spreadsheets are composed of thousands of rows and columns. Columns are vertically arranged, which are identified with letters starting from letter A to XFD, MS Excel 2010. This is the example. Row numbers are horizontally arranged, which are identified with numbers from 1 to 1 million something. As you can see, spreadsheet have so many features. It can organize information in rows and columns, do basic calculations, complex calculations, and automatic recalculations. Copy cells, sort data, search and replace, alignment, change styles, and appearances. Okay, now let's move on. Let's go to the presentation software. Presentation software is designed to communicate and display information including text, images, audio, and video elements like this, what I am doing right now. This is considered as presentation software. I've used KineMaster editing app. It creates a slideshow made of separate frames and slides. It can display features, allow diverse methods in viewing slides. So as you can see, these are diverse methods or software that can easily contribute to the learnings of the children. You can insert live URLs, use templates, save the other formats, print as handouts. So this presentation software is much more attractive to the viewers and of course to the learners. Okay, so let's summarize what I have discussed. So I have discussed the power of word processing in education and the importance of it. This ends my report, so thank you for listening and God bless.
Instructional software for classroom use. Instructional software, defined as a computer programs designed to deliver instruction or to assist in the delivery of instruction on a specific topic. 5 types of instructional software. Number 1, drill and practice software. Number 2, tutorial software. 3, simulation software. 4, instructional games. 5, problem-solving software. Drill and practice software allows learners to work problems or answer questions and get feedbacks and correctness. Provides opportunities for students to work on problems or examples one at a time and then receive feedback on their performance. Selecting. Control over the drill and practice. Answer judging. Gives appropriate feedback. Benefits. Immediate feedback. Motivation. Saving teacher time. Limitations and problems. Number 1, perceived misuse. Number 2, criticism by constructiveness. Tutorial software. Act like a human tutor by providing the all information and instructional activities a learner needs to master a topic, information, summaries, explanation, practice routine, feedback, and assessment. Selecting. Extensive interactivity, thorough user control, appropriate pedagogy, adequate answer judging and feedback capabilities, appropriate graphics, adequate record keeping. Benefits. The benefits enumerated in the drill and practice software are also the same benefits of the tutorial software. Limitations and problems. Criticism by constructivism, lack of good products, reflect only one instructional approach. Simulation software models real or imaginary systems to show how those systems or similar ones work or demonstrate underlying concept. Selecting. There is a realistic and accurate representation of a system. Clear set of directions must be present in the software. Models a real or imaginary system. Can model physical phenomena, procedures, and hypothetical situations. The impact of actions must be clearly seen. Benefits. Compress time, slow down process, get students involved, make experimentation of software, make them possible, save money and other resources, allow repetition with variations, allow observation of complex process. Limitations and problems. Criticism of virtual lab software, accuracy of model, misuse of simulations.
Instructional games increase motivation by adding games rules and or competition to learning activities to drill. Selecting appealing formats and activities. Instructional value. Physical dexterity is reasonable. Social, societal, and cultural considerations. Benefits. Games are more interesting than traditional instruction. Retention of information is longer. Assist teacher to get students to focus on the topic. Makes learning more engaging and motivational. Limitations and problems. Learning versus having fun. Confusion of game rules and real-life rules. Inefficient learning. Classroom barriers. Problem-solving software. Teaches directly through the explanation and practice the steps involved in solving problems. Helps learner acquire problem-solving skills by giving them opportunities to solve the problem. These are programs that focus on developing or exercising critical thinking skills by the user, rather than a specific academic discipline. Selecting. Teacher should see to it that the software should be able to develop the skills of the students in solving various kinds of content area problems. The software should also have the feature that would keep the interest of the students in moving on in solving problems. The problem should be challenging to bring out the level best in the students. Benefits. Promotes visualization in mathematics problem solving. Fosters better understanding and visualization of abstract concepts. Improve interest and motivation in doing problem-solving activities. This will allow the students to become more active and impulsive problem solvers. Limitations and problems. Effectiveness of problem-solving software. Suitability in learning of students. Software support tools. The productivity software like word processing, spreadsheets, presentation software, and the like are helpful for both teachers and students in accomplishing their respective tasks in supporting and meeting the requirements of teaching and learning. Software support tools advantages: improve efficiency and productivity, enhance product appearance, more precise and aptness of information, more support for collaboration. Software support tool categories: materials generators, data collection and analysis tools, graphic tools, planning and organizing tools, research and reference tools, content area tools.
Thank you for listening and God bless.